Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create sections in tasks to organize your subtasks here in Asana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Asana, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating sections in Asana tasks can be a great way to organize your subtasks, making it easier to track progress and manage complex projects. Now, remember that large tasks often comes with numerous subtasks, which can be overwhelming. Now, section helps break these into smaller manageable groups, making it easier to see what needs to be done at a glance. Now, we have a separate video on how to create subtasks here in Asana that you might want to check out in our channel. But basically here, this is going to be the subtask. We're going to add two more subtasks and create a section in between. All right. So in this case, I'm going to be putting in Andy in subtask. Okay. And then just click on the plus button here to add subtasks to split work into smaller parts. And I'm going to rename it as so I have now two subtasks. All right. Now I'm going to group this related subtasks under relevant sections so I can categorize them based on time, priority, phase, or any criteria that makes sense for this project. All right, because I believe this categorization provides a clear overview and prevent tasks from getting lost in the mix. Now, for you to be able to create a section here, there's no option here, but I want you to press tab, hold and press tab, and press letter N for Nancy. You see that? Let me do that again. All right, so if you press tab plus the letter N for Nancy, you're going to be creating a new section. So I'm going to put this section as all right. Now, after that, you can add another subtask. All right, so we can have a break between different groups of subtasks so that we can quickly identify areas of focus and making the project easier to navigate. So we'll do that right now. Now, in this case, that's going to be maybe all right. So in this section, it could represent different stages of project. For example, it's going to be for progress, completed. Now, this allows team members to track progress more effectively and see at glance which subtasks are completed and which still needed work. Of course, you have also an option to assign this subtask, same as the subtask right here. All right, so that people will be able to understand and align with the bigger picture. For example, this section from an assignee can represent different paces like design, development, and testing, and this one is for the implementation. All right, and I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.